Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Lomax, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. 1 June, a month to go to year end. Another of the items that need to be on the checklist at this time is bad debts. I would suggest it is time to take the time and look through your debtors list and get those delinquent ones written off prior to June 30 in order to properly manage your tax deduction. This does not mean, of course, you cannot keep chasing them, and should you be successful in your recovery efforts, you will need to declare the income. But whilst debts appear to be irrecoverable, for those of us on an accruals basis, removing them from our balance sheet reduces the profit on which income tax will be payable. For the smaller business person, i.e. one who reports on a cash basis, it might be time to look to manipulate the banking towards the end of the year. In days gone by, this was as simple as holding cheques in a drawer and banking them after 30 June. Taxation legislation suggests we need only report income as it is received, and the evidence of a bank account was seen to be the evidence. In this day and age of direct deposits, BPay and the like, it is much more difficult to control bankings, and deferring invoicing until a later time may be the answer, but as in all cases, cash flow is paramount. You may look to postpone invoicing a good client to ensure receipt happens after 30 June, but should there be any risk of a client billing and receiving recompense for your goods and services as early as possible has to be the goal. Similarly, for those business people on an accruals basis, invoicing after 30 June may defer income into 2018, but as with any strategy, the cash flow effect needs to be considered. Deferral strategies like these can give rise to an outcome of moving taxation liabilities into later periods. Should you want to discuss the potential use of strategies like these, or have assistance in reviewing the debts already in your aged receivables list, your client account manager is here to assist. For those watching this video who are not clients of MW Lomax and would like assistance, contact us at strategy@mwlomax.com.au and we will arrange for someone to contact you.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MW Lomax, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.